Hello there! Inspector Dr. Leah Angeline Sico Diamat at your service. May I ask you, have you ever wondered what today's generation of dentists use to easily and safely archive their records? Healthcare professionals have started to use a database management system. A database management system is a system where health data are recorded, stored, retrieved, and processed to improve decision making. By this, it is easy to seek and sort records using a digital management system instead of incorporating a lot of paper records like the traditional oral diagnosis or OD form. This encourages dental professionals like us to choose an effective and creative system to identify, monitor, administer, and store all the records of our patients. A newly opened dental clinic named Ngiti Dental Clinic had their grand opening recently. However, I must first ensure that the facilities of the clinic meet the standard given by the Philippine Dental Association and are at least satisfactory. Let us visit the dental clinic to see if they have a database management system, which can be an efficient system, especially in healthcare. Let's now inspect. Hi there, Dr. Bayer.
Hi, I am Dr. Marie Nicole Felicity Cruz Bayer, and for this day, we will present you with an example of a dental management system developed by our group for a clinic named Ngiti Dental Clinic. You will see several buttons in this menu system that will guide you to specific forms. The usage of advanced technology, like IMS, will help cope with a given situation. Since finding the patient's information may take a while, the main menu also consists of widgets, such as the search button, that provide you with quick access to information without requiring you to open specific forms. The search, print, delete, save and exit buttons can also be seen in most of the forms for easier access to information. Now, let me introduce you to Dr. De La Cruz.
Nice to meet you. I am Dr. Mylene De La Cruz, and let's begin the navigation of our IMS. First, let's click the Appointment Schedule button. The Appointment Schedule button is used to record your patient's upcoming appointments. This contains basic information of the patient, the treatment they would like to have, and the date and time that they are available. For example, a patient wants to set a consultation with a dentist for an extraction of their third molar. They can access the appointment form by clicking the Schedule New Appointment button. The added information will go directly to the database. Once you are done, click Save and it will be saved on the database. Then exit to close the appointment form. Oh, here's Dr. Bagay to introduce you to our other forms.
Hi, I am Dr. Ruth Daniel P. Bagay. For now, let's click the staff's personal information button. This will redirect us to the page that contains information of the dentists, like their full names, ages, and their specializations. The information presented will help in determining who should be assigned to a certain patient with specific needs or a specific procedure to be done. The next button on the dashboard is the Add Patient Information button. After clicking this, a form will be shown. The form asks for the patient's personal information, which will be directly displayed on the screen. It contains basic information such as patient ID, name, contact information, dental treatment, and many more. It can be labor-saving, especially if you have many patients. For example, a recent patient is inquiring about his or her dental treatment. You can click Add Patient Information, where you can input the new information of your patient on the database. Once you are finished, click Save to make sure that your new information will be saved on the database, where you can access the information of your patients. I'll give the floor to Dr. Bayer again to further explain the other forms.
Dr. Bayer, at your service again. So if you want to change something in one of your patient's personal information to keep current, you can click the Edit Patient's Information, where you can easily navigate your patient's record. For example, if you want to make revisions with regards to a patient's phone number, age, address, etc. that has recently been changed, you can edit the form or you can click the Delete button. By clicking the Delete button, the designated record will be removed from the list of records. Once you are finished, click the Save button to make sure that your new information will be saved on MS Access, where you can easily access the information of your patient. Now, let me introduce you to Dr. Clore.
Hi, I am Dr. Ira Crisette Clore, and I'll show you the patient's report. The patient's report contains a summary of a patient's personal information, their appointment details, and their payment details, especially containing the patient number, number of the patient, what their appointment will be for and when, how much they will pay for the treatment, and their chosen mode of payment. A print button is placed on the bottom on the page for quick printing of chosen reports. Next is the dental product code, where it lists dental products we offer like medicines such as Dentadent, Oragel, Anbesol, Denticare, and many more. By doing this, patients will know what products we have in the clinic that they can order or buy to maintain or take care of their teeth. Let me call on Dr. De La Cruz.
Nice meeting you. I am Dr. Althea Cyril de la Cruz. On the other hand, the doctor's prescription form refers to the prescription of the patient made by the dentist. Here, you are able to add a new prescription. This form also contains the brand of medicine, the dosage, and its dosage form. There is also a delete button to erase the prescription details. Once you are done filling out the needed information, save it and it will automatically be seen in the database. We are able to print out the prescription and give it to our patients directly by clicking on the print button. Some of its advantages is it decreases medication errors and it increases efficiency in patient care. Once we are finished with all appointments of the day, we exit the database with the use of the Close Application button. And that's all, Inspector Dr. Kudiamat.
I must say that I am astounded with the overall performance and quality of your dental establishment, which is above satisfactory, especially with your database and transaction management system. I can assure you that you can give premium and exquisite service to your patients in the future. With this IMS in the clinic, dentists tend to attract more clients and patients due to its effect of having a fast and easy way to track information, appointments, treatment forms, and many more. Paperless healthcare systems have become inevitable. Any healthcare institute that doesn't follow this trend will probably fall behind the rest in the industry. Data management system in healthcare is essential nowadays because it offers wide range features that will surely make health professionals save time and can also do procedures efficiently. The faster this is adopted, the more successful the healthcare facility will be. Nice job, doctors! I am sure that you'll attain success in having your own information management system. See you again next time! Bye!